urge, a strong desire or push to do something. I felt the urge to eat ice cream at midnight. The teacher urged the students to study harder. Astute, smart, and quick to understand. She made an astute decision and saved a lot of money. The astute student quickly solved the difficult problem. Congested, overcrowded, or blocked, making movement difficult. The roads were congested with cars during rush hour. My nose is congested, so I can't breathe properly. Baggy, loose-fitting and not tight, often used for clothes. He wore baggy jeans that were too big for him. My old sweater is baggy, but it's very comfortable. Fatal, causing death or extremely dangerous. The car accident was fatal and 2 people died. Some diseases can be fatal if not treated in time. Wilt, to lose energy, strength, or freshness, often due to heat or lack of water. The flowers wilt when they don't get enough water. After running for an hour, he started to wilt from tiredness. Quench, to satisfy a strong feeling like thirst or to stop something from continuing. A cold drink will quench your thirst on a hot day. The firefighters quenched the fire quickly. Queasy, feeling sick, uncomfortable, or uneasy, often related to nausea. I felt queasy after eating too much fast food. The boat ride made her feel queasy. String, a thin cord used to tie things, a connected series of things. She tied the gift with a red string. He played a string of songs on his guitar. Undergo, to go through something, especially a change or a challenge. She had to undergo surgery last year. The city will undergo many changes in the future. Hoist, to lift or raise something heavy, often using effort or equipment. The workers hoisted the heavy box onto the truck. They hoisted the flag up the pole. Deliberately, doing something on purpose, not by accident. He deliberately ignored my message. She deliberately spilled water on the floor to trick her brother. Segregate. To separate people, groups, or things based on differences. In the past, some schools segregated students based on race. We segregate plastic from glass when recycling. Idle, not working, not active, or doing nothing for a long time. The car was idle at the red light. He's been idle all day, just watching TV. Dismantle. To take something apart, usually to fix, move, or destroy it. He dismantled the old computer to fix it. The workers dismantled the stage after the concert. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.